The wonderful Bryant Perez!
Alright, I ain't got long. Let me check that Asheville. So when I say Ash, you say Bill. Ash! Bill! Ash! Bill! Hands up! Hands down! Oh shit, you're on point. Alright, who here likes metal? Dang. Okay, I got metal. Who likes psychedelic electronica, like Boards of Candy? I got that too. Who's got, let's see what else I got. EDM? Yeah! Cool. Dance. I'm not gonna play any of that though. I have that, so check it out on my website, bryantsperez.com, which is my name. I don't wanna have to go to work. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, hands up, baby, hands up. Let's get it by the side, let's go. Yeah! Woo! Alright, let's get to the meat and potatoes. You just said, I don't wanna have to go to work. 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 So I quit. So, thank you. I love you, Asheville. Sly Grog, 21st, 9 p.m., 23rd, 6 p.m. Thank you.
So we have lighting options, which we would pick now to. Do you have anything in mind? Requests?
Just make it as cool looking as possible. I can give you some, maybe some kind of color schemes, maybe.
Right.
Like purple for the first song because it's mysterious and moody.
There you go. You said song 3 was blues?